Hello everyone, and moving forward to the next one, we will start by taking some pieces of paper as shown, and then we will create some thin layers from the papers, and then we'll take some small papers which are in heart shape and complete it by pasting it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a black colored paper, it is a big one, and then we'll create it into a really smaller square, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly one by one to create this into a beautiful one which looks really awesome. We'll start by folding the paper from the corners too, and make as shown. We'll convert this into a shape which we can see and learn, and after that we'll paste it with the help of some sticky tape and complete it, a star. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a big piece of paper and will start by folding the paper accordingly in four sides, and then we'll fold the paper accordingly into a really small rectangular shaped paper which will create a diary out of it. After that we'll create a cover for the diary, and then we'll make the diary and paste some stickers on it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this easy one with the help of some clay balls. We'll take some clay and create it into some smaller balls, and then by the help of any sharp object, we'll create some lines in the outer balls and create it into a beautiful flower which looks really awesome. And with the help of the paper, we'll create the stem of the flower and leaves too. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have taken a small piece of paper which is of square shape, and we'll fold it accordingly as shown from the halfway, and then we'll follow the steps as shown one by one to create this awesome one which is a really easy and looks really beautiful and can be easily learned by kids and adults too. We'll create a big circular shape from making this each and every one a really cute bracelet which looks really beautiful. Moving ahead to the next one, in which we'll again take a big piece of paper which is a square shaped paper, and then fold it from both the sides of the halfways, and then fold it from the top and bottom of them, and then we'll again turn the paper and follow the steps as shown to make this beautiful dress which looks really awesome and cool. Moving forward to the next one, which is a really awesome one, we'll learn how to make this with the help of leaf. Thank you for watching the video.